Yes, so good afternoon, everyone. So we are uh, back with another live, right? So this is so for those of you who are new here or watching this for the first time. So we provide Nifty Bank Nifty market analysis daily right after the market, right? So yes, today is 6th April, and today was the expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also. RBI, we should look at the impact of the RBI repo rate news as well, right? So, yes, so welcome to the stream, and we shall begin right about now. Before that, a quick disclaimer that we do not provide any calls or tips. This is purely for educational purpose only. And yes, so before you take any trade, make sure you consult your financial advisors. So yes, okay. So today, a very interesting day. For those of you who were looking at the Bank Nifty charts, there were, I think, two three wild movements which might have caught you off guard, and also we can see the impact of the repo rate, right? So the news by RBI was that there would not be any change of the rate, so which was very good news, right? So usually if the repo rate does increase, it's usually very bearish, because obviously the interest rates, everything would increase everywhere, right? So yeah, so this does directly have a direct impact with the banking sector. So we shall look at that as well today, right? So if we will make it a little different today and start with the index constituents and see how the banking sector was today, right? So yes, as you can see here, these were the banks that are the constituents of Bank Nifty, right? So you can see HDFC has 28%, and we've actually made another video which you can check on our YouTube channel about the direct impact of the constituents, right? So yes, so yeah, we shall, I think, quickly look at uh, the market replay of today on Bank Nifty. And yeah, we shall, I think around 9:50, 10 is when the news came out. So we shall see how the impact had taken about directly, right? So yes, let me just raise that in 5x, and yes. So yes, so it opened very high, and then any time about now, yes. Oh my God, the green candle went above the screen itself. So, but yes, so this was a direct impact of the news itself, right? So usually when such news do come out, this is the impact usually seen. But again, around, I think, towards 1:30 p.m., if I'm not wrong, is when we saw another wild movement which was quite in the opposite direction, right? So that if anyone does know on why this might have happened, please put it down in the comments below. But yes, we shall see it on the chart as well over here. So after the big up movement, we saw the market sideways, and yes, so this around 1:30 to 2 when was we saw this downfall here. That was from 41,000, approximately 41,300 to down to 41,125, right? So yeah, so and yes, towards the end, I think market just went sideways a little, right? So yes, so this was the Bank Nifty movement for the repo rate announcement day, right? So yes, as you can see here, the when the as soon as the it was announced, we saw a huge gap up, like not a gap up, a huge a green candle formation, right? So everyone, the whole market was very bullish about it. And as you can see, since then, it was sideways until 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., right? So right after that is when we saw a small downfall, which again brought the, I think, the max pain to around 41,100, right? So that should have been the max pain here. It was playing around. So yeah, we saw we since then we saw it go sideways and end at 41,176. So this was the complete market today, and we shall just look at it in our charts as well, right? So if I quickly just go to the trading view chart. Yes, okay, Bank Nifty was open, so yeah, we were doing quite the analysis here at Stolo as well. So yeah, I was very what do you call, bearish over here, while everyone else, all my colleagues were bullish at this point, and I was like, told you so to everyone. But yes. So yeah, a quick analysis of today. We saw so from the previous videos we saw this very nice channel being formed, which is finally out of play today, right? So yes, as you can see, it had respected the channel since 31st March to around today. So until 5th April, it did respect the channel, and yesterday we saw a very good trade that could have been taken here. So yeah, we saw a small gap down opening today in Bank Nifty. So not a very big, but yeah, a small gap down opening. And then this was, so if I just mark it, let me just, yeah, let me just add a comment here, right? So here I can just add the comment as RBI repo rate news impact, right? So yeah, I'll just add that there. Increase the text size to around 10, and okay, let me just, yes, good. So now I'll just, so usually I forget to save the chart, and after the live I see that, oh my god, I did not save the chart. But yeah, so now I'm saving the charts regularly. But yes, as you can see here, so now if we look back onto the chart as well, we know that okay, this was the reason why the huge green candle was formed here, right? So this was the at 10 around 10 a.m. was what happened uh, due to the RBI rate. And as it stayed constant, we saw everyone being bullish about the market and the banking sector as a whole, right? So yes, after that, the channel, it did come back into, right after that, it reached the day high of around 41,270, and it seemed very bullish, right? So after this huge Maribazo candle being formed, it seemed like Bank Nifty would go very much higher than 41,260. But yes, right after that, we saw a small downfall and then a small consolidation, right? So this is where when everyone at Stolo also was analyzing the markets, and these were the levels drawn, right? So we knew that, okay, if I just put a price label, so if we thought that, okay, this is one level and this was the other level, right? So we knew that, okay, if it goes above 41,171 approximately, we knew that, okay, the day would end up a little more bullish than uh, right at the moment, right? So this was around 135, and the support that we saw was 41,078. So we thought that, okay, around 41,080, if the uh, Bank Nifty does break that, we can see it go a lot more lower and shouldn't go back above 41,170. And the analysis was right? So we saw it as soon as we saw a huge candle break here. So this was a good trade to enter. So I would have planned to enter here, right? So it would have been a short position. Entering here, this would have almost maybe a small stop loss and a target of the next support which we had drawn here, right? So this would be not here, so sorry. Yes, let me just draw that. Wait, give me 1 second. Yeah, so the target here would have been in terms of a trailing stop loss, right? Oh, wait, so sorry. Let me just cancel that. Yes, so it would have been a trailing stop loss where I would have cut it off within 10 points, as it is a Thursday and we are moving towards the end of the day. But yes, other than that, it would have been a very good trade to take on the breakout of 41,080 in a bearish manner, right? So yes, and towards the end, we ended it around 41,039. So yes, so that was Bank Nifty, and we shall see uh, how it would move again tomorrow, right? So this downfall, what caused this? We usually don't know, and it is a Thursday, so usually expiry days, people try to catch or traders from all sides, even if you are bullish or bearish. So this might have been a trap to make traders hit their stop loss, right? Because this was a good support being formed as well. But yes, okay, so that is Bank Nifty, and if we let's check out Nifty charts today as well. So quickly going to the market replay, next Nifty, and let me just play it at 5x, right? So yes, I did not look at Nifty charts today during the live hours, as I was completely into Bank Nifty today, as well as the whole team was looking at Bank Nifty. But yes, so a similar Maribazo candle formed over here at 10 a.m. due to the news, and yes, so we saw a small fall towards, I think, 1:30 to 2 p.m., which let's see if Nifty also did the same or not. Not very sure, but yes. As you can see, yes. So around here, okay, it it seemed much. It Nifty still seems much more bullish, right? So okay, we saw a small drop down from around 110, and yes, okay, very similar. So yes, both did move similar. I don't know. I'm not sure if this was a gap down, but yes, at the beginning of the market. But yeah, ended around. Okay, it's still. I think what is the time of year? Yes, 3:27. Yeah, so around 17,650 was the close of Nifty, right? So we look at the chart as a whole. We can see, yes, so we saw a similar up move at 10 p.m. due to the repo rate, and then we saw a very bullish move until 17,713. So 17,700 was our psychological level, right? So it did break that, and I think so. Yes, I think a lot of traders would have gotten caught here, because right after breaking 17,700, there was a fall until 17,600. Right, so almost a 100-point fall from breaking the psychological level of 17,700, which we had plotted on the chart from our previous analysis, right? So yes, and then yeah, after the downfall, it reached 17,600. That is a 100-point fall, and it consolidated here, right, and ended at 17,650. So yes, if we look at the chart quickly, let me just change this to Nifty. And yes, so also let me know in the comments if you had taken any trades today, got caught, or made big profits or anything like that. Please let me know in the comments. And yes, if I okay, yeah, so it's a similar gap up, a gap down as to Bank Nifty, and we look at it. Yes, so this was a little stronger bullish move, but yes, so this was the 10 p.m. candle that we did see, and okay, yes, so yes, looking at it, we can see, yes, 17,640 formed a very good resistance as the day high, right? So this was the 650 here. And if we look at it, similarly, it did go down at around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., where not sure what caused this. It was a huge sell off by all the bears, right? So after that, the market did consolidate here. But if we look at it overall, right, let's just look at the 1 hour time frame here. I just open it a little more. We can see that, okay, Nifty is still in a very bullish mode, right? So we saw, since our analysis of the sideway market here, and we look at the market movement here, we see it is in a very bullish manner still. So yes, I'm still bullish on Nifty, and yeah, not sure about the 1 p.m. downfall. If anyone knew, okay, so Manish Mahim says I was able to capture the 10 a.m. moment, right? So the if you did capture that moment, then you're one of the luckiest person today, because everyone whoever missed that 10 a.m. moment would have been thinking that, okay, damn it, I should have gotten that and I could have been partying right now. So yes, that Manish, good going there on the 10 a.m. moment. uh, is it completely because of the news you did take the trade, sir? But yes. So yeah, continuing, Nifty looks very bullish, right? It still is bullish, and yes, so that is our analysis for today. And tomorrow being a holiday, that is Good Friday, right? So we have the market is closed tomorrow, and so yeah, we shall come back on Monday and see how the market is, right? So it's very exciting now, and today's I love today's expiry on especially Bank Nifty, and the movements were very nice, right? So yes, so as usual, you can always leave down the comments below on what you think will happen next week. So do you think the markets will continue the bullish run? Will it maybe step down the steam engine a little and go in a sideways manner, or will it go back down? So let me know in the comments on what you think on how the markets will move. And yes, we shall come here back on Monday with another market analysis. Until then, yes, have a great weekend. It's a very long weekend. Hope you get the rest away from the markets as well, because that is equally important. And yes, we shall catch each other back on Monday. So thank you guys for tuning in, and bye.